Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I don't know. Every morning I feel like I got something in my eye. How's everybody doing on this Monday? It's Monday, right? We got a lot of court action, or at least we think we do. Good morning, Baca. Hey, Merelda. How are you? I be late. I know, right? I know. I'm so terrible. I'm like, okay, if you set your timer for, and I be up. I definitely be up. It's just the things that what I plan don't always work out the way I want it to work out. So it kind of throws me off. I'm like, I went in there and started doing my no pink today. I'm pretty sure I was looking at my closet and all I got is blue, different shades of blue and purple and black. I was like, oh, your closet is very limited, girlfriend. But it is what it is. Hey, good morning, Gina. How are you? Yeah, so um we only gonna be over here for a minute in this room, then we'll go into the trial. I figure I would do a try to keep trying to do my little promotion, this meet this goal with Google, but I do have some interesting information to give with it, right? So we do know that we are going into day 5 today when we enter the courtroom, which should be exciting, right? I think that we're getting close to the end of the prosecution's case, which is also another thing to be excited. I don't know what that is. I'm just looking at something. Hey, Kelly, how are you this morning? You say you used to be so bad with colors. Only had black, brown. Yeah, I know that fella. Like, and then when you go in your closet and you actually looking for something and you're like, I don't have anything. Duh. I'm just getting our link so I can have it ready. Okay, so before we go on to the courtroom, I am gonna do a kind of like a recap. Yeah, well, it is a recap. The good thing about it is we've seen a lot in this case, right? So we know right now that our boy Nick Stark, whatever you want to call him, whatever floats your boat at the point in time, our boy Nick, right? He currently facing 12 charges. And just to kind of like summarize what charges he is facing, just in case we getting lost in all this testimony that we're receiving. He's being charged with malice, unaliving, felony, unaliving, aggravated assault. He has tampering with evidence, of course, concealing the unaliving. And then he's also accused of dismemberment, right? And we coming across more and more dismemberment trials, cases where people bodies are just, yeah, I'll leave that there. So, of course, the prosecution's theory, just so they know that it's an intentional unaliving, that it was calculated far as the way he dismembered her. Oh, you say look at the banner for Film Freak. Yeah, that was for yesterday. I said I was gonna start whoever, kind of whoever contributes to the show. And it'll change as different times, just a stream sponsor. And just, that way everybody know who's sponsoring this stream, right? So um with the prosecution team. So that's what they saying, it was all calculated, that it was some leverage with the military, some legal background, and that's why he had that control. Because remember, he was in the Navy as a JAG attorney, right? In the defense, I don't know. The most I can come up with is that they're saying that they were in fear from this mysterious person that we have no clue who he is at all. Wait a minute, my baby calling me. Yeah. Yeah, she on her way back. Yeah. They headed to the bus stop. Sorry, guys. She like, did my sister come back? Yeah, she on her way back. She better not miss the bus. That's what I do know. I tell you, the mama duties don't never stop. So what I'm thinking in regards to the defense is that they are just this mysterious person that they were both running from. And that's why he was telling so many stories, so many lies to the family, misleading everybody. Now, I think that he has to testify. A lot of people say he won't testify, but I think that he has to testify to the fact of how scared he was. Where did he get this information for this person, this mysterious person? Like I think that he has to say something. I think that he has to be like a Charlie or a Donna, right? He has to prove that to us. He has to tell us about that. Because other than that, like, how did they get that in? Baka says she think he will too. Yeah, I think he has to. Like, other than that, how do they get any documentation or anything in? Because the other person that believed all of this stuff is now no longer with us. Not to say it's gonna work, but I guess if you are kind of like, I guess I want to say, danged if you do, dang if you don't, what word I really want to say, then why not go for the gusto? So that's going to be very interesting. I think that in today's what I expect for day 5 is I expect for the first ex-wife to testify. I think that she's going to be able to introduce the financial motive, possibly maybe some additional digital evidence. Um, I definitely think that she may be able to testify to that he was a manipulator before. Right? So it's showing that history because we already know he manipulated the third wife. Right? So I think that that's what we should expect for today. See where the prosecution, I don't know what else they could present at this point in time. Maybe after the first wife, that is, testifies, maybe they'll be able to bring in some financial stuff, showing that maybe he was in debt, things of that nature. Hey, good morning, Benny. Yeah, so I think that should be what we see. I can't think of anything else. And I don't know what the defense is going to do because I know that they have 6 witnesses on their list. I don't know if that means that they have to call them, right? It doesn't seem like the cross-examination to me personally, like we're really like attacking anything. I know that it was points in times where they're trying to attack, where Doug is trying to attack the way evidence was gathered, right? But I don't, I haven't really seen much. Y'all could tell me if y'all thought that he attacked something really profoundly. So that's what we should expect for our day 5 testimony. And other than that, I think that's about it. I just kind of wanted to do that separate. And then I'm about to drop the link for the room and then we can go over there. Besides, I messed this up anyways, but whatever. Like they got these rules and stuff that you got to do this in. Only because the other room is going to be. Okay, guys, I've dropped the link. We'll end this little pre-live thing and move over there and get ready to go into the courtroom, okay? I know. We only playing musical chairs once today. Unless somebody tell me that there's a trial starting that we need to cover. But other than that, we only got this one case today. All right, guys, I see you over there. One sunny day. Go. We helping so today. Click on that link and it'll take you into the new room.